Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about a very interesting app called ScreenJar, which seamlessly integrates with Jira and helps users effortlessly attach screen recordings to your Jira issues and JSM tickets. But before we dive in, I would like to thank AmiBits for sponsoring this video. AmiBits specializes in creating apps for Atlassian products like Jira and Confluence. They focus on providing solutions that enhance productivity. Now let's go back to the topic and talk about ScreenJar app. Well, ScreenJar is an app that integrates seamlessly with Jira. It is designed to simplify the process of attaching screen recordings to Jira issues and Jira service management tickets. It allows users to record their screens directly within Jira without the need for any additional software installation. By integrating this app within Jira, we can reduce back and forth communication, making bug reporting more efficient and streamlining the customer support process as well. Now let's discuss the purpose this app serves. The main purpose of ScreenJar is to streamline bug reporting and customer support workflows by allowing teams to easily share screen recordings within teammates and relevant stakeholders. This improves clarity and reduces resolution time for tickets and issues. Now let's move forward and see how to install this app. Okay, so currently I have opened my Jira instance and let's see how we can install the ScreenJar app. Okay, so in order to install any app, what we have to do is we have to click on this more drop down menu on the top of our screen. Let's click over here. Here I have the apps option. Let's just click it. So these options help us to find and manage the different apps. Currently we are trying to install a new app, so what we'll do is we'll click on explore more apps. Just write the name of the app and hit the return. Okay, so I have this app small panel open for me. Let's click over here. Okay, so this is the place from where we can download this app or integrate this app with my Jira instance. And if we see over here, the pricing options are also mentioned that you can try this app for free. It's a 30-day trial period. So now just let's try it. I'll click try it for free. Now here I have to choose a site where I want to install this app. Okay, so I'll just click. Okay, now just let's click this button, start free trial. Again, they are providing some information about the app over here, and below on the right hand side of the screen I have this button start free trial. Let's click on it once again. Now as you can see that they are installing the app for us, and I have also got this pop-up menu that will let you know when the app has been added. Okay, let's wait for some more time. Okay, so now I got this pop-up menu that the screen recorder for Jira has been installed successfully for us. Okay, let's close it. Now let's go back to the projects. So I've opened my Clinique management project and here I'm on my active sprints. Let's just open one of the already created issues. Here we can see that we have got this option now. This ScreenJar button has got added for us on the details panel of this issue. Let's click it. So as soon as I clicked it, a video link started generating for us. Now I have an option to start the screen recording, or I can take a screenshot as well. I'm enabling the microphone audio over here. Okay, let's just start the recording. Yep. So here we have three different options that if I want to share a particular Chrome tab, I can select it from here. If I want to share any window, I have an option Then apart from that, if I want to share the entire screen, that option is also available over here. For now, I'm going to the Chrome tab and I'll select one of the tabs. Let's start sharing. So as soon as I started sharing, what happened is that it went to this particular tab which I selected earlier, and now it has already started recording, and this pop-up on the top shows us that the recording is in progress. Once, let's say, I am able to do all the recording to show whatever I want on my screen, let's say I've done with all the recording and demonstration stuff, then what I'll do is simply I'll just click on this stop sharing button, and now let's go to the screen jar tab. So it's saying that the video has been recorded for us and it's ready to be attached to the Jira issue from where you have actually started the recording. Then you can download as well this video. Now if I want to review this video before actually uploading it to my Jira issue, that option also has been provided over here. Let's just click on this button. Went to this particular tab which I select. Okay, now let's say if I forgot to add anything or the video is not recorded correctly, then I have an option over here to record another video. If I click over here, the app will start recording another video. Okay, now simply click on this upload to Jira issue, and this video in the MP4 format will be uploaded to your Jira issue. Fine. Now it's saying that it will take some time to get it recorded. Now let's go to our issue and see if the recording has been done. Yep, we already have this attachment in the MP4 format. Now as we saw that we didn't do any extra installations, we didn't have to get any permission to record our screen, and if we are doing everything from Jira itself, then we won't be violating any of the organization's rules, because nowadays we all know that data security is the most important thing when it comes to software industry. So that's how seamlessly it works when it comes to recording these screens for Jira issues. Okay, let's close it. And again, if I open this issue, I can see that attachment is available. Now, similar to Jira issues, we can also use this app for Jira service management tickets as well. I have one of the customer service projects open here with me. Now, let's say I want to provide even more details about one of the features that customer is talking about. Then simply what I have to do is I just have to click the feature, and again I have this ScreenJar app. The process is very simple. Just open it and start your recording, and simply add your screen recording to the features as well for the customer service in the JSM tickets. Okay, we saw how to do the recording and how well the ScreenJar app collaborates with all of your Jira issues. The thing which I liked about this app is that users can initiate screen recordings directly from Jira issues. These recordings are attached as MP4 files to Jira tickets, and all that is done within just a few clicks. The app works seamlessly across modern browsers like Chrome and Firefox, and it integrates without requiring any additional user management. Let's also discuss some of the popular use cases for ScreenJar app. First, bug reporting. As we just demonstrated, QA teams can record the exact steps to reproduce the bug, making it easier for the developers to understand and resolve the issues quickly. Second, customer support. Service agents can request customers to record their screens directly from the JSM customer portal. We just saw this in action on my JSM instance. Using ScreenJar for customer support enhances communication and speeds up the resolution process. Third use case is to be used by product teams. Product managers can use ScreenJar to create screen sharing walkthroughs of wireframes or new features for team reviews, streamlining the feedback process. So that wraps up our overview of the ScreenJar app. We have seen how it can transform bug reporting, customer support, and even product development workflows by making screen recording and sharing incredibly simple and effective. If you're looking to enhance communication and speed up issue resolution within your team, ScreenJar is definitely worth considering. Well, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit notification bell for more videos like this. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or comments below. See you in the next video.